Shriver, your Space Coast home specialist, and we're watching the great space race take place right now. Check out this beautiful rocket launch over the Indian River. This rocket is carrying a satellite way up into space. And that's just a beautiful trail. And when you come to the Space Coast, you're going to get to see these wonderful launches yourself in live person. There she goes. Godspeed. Well, it looks like we've lost the rocket in the sun, but it's a successful launch again for the Space Coast. And I'm really so glad that you could join us right here on the Indian River. I'm Tammy LaLuga Shriver, your Space Home specialist. Join us again on Tammy Vision.